serve God as early as possible. Be passionate about God. Do His will. Live to please Him above all. That is the best place that you can invest your life in. Jesus said in John chapter 4, and this is a wonderful example of what it means to be human. In His humanity, Jesus was both human and God. Do you know that? He's God and man, right? But here's something that He is speaking in as a human. Do you know that there are times when Jesus spoke as a man and there are times when Jesus spoke as God? Do you know that? So sometimes when you read in the Bible, is He speaking as man or is He speaking as God? Do you understand that? So here he writes this in Psalm, and he's talking as a man about his relationship with God. Which example we should follow. And in John chapter 4, verse 34, Jesus said this. My food, said Jesus, is to what? Is to do the will of God. The will of Him who sent me, and to finish this work. This is not only for Jesus, but this is for all of us who are humans. We should exist. Our sustenance in life is to do the will of God. That's what we exist. We do not exist to make more money. We don't exist for our own sinful pleasure. We do not exist to just go here and there and just have a lot of fun and then die. Life is empty unless you are living to do the will of God. Is that your sustenance each day? Is that what fills your life? Living to do the will of God. Pursuing what is God's will for my life. I dig deep into the pages of the Bible. I cry out to God. I draw near to Him. I want to know Him. I want to read His Word and know the truths in His Word and be wise in His Word, so I will be familiar with what His will is for my life.